Hey there everyone, it's Joshua Paul Barnard. Got another Tableau example for you here. This is one that I came up with myself. It's a distribution map, but we make it in a little different way so that we can highlight the extremes and we can page through it per something such as year for dates. So we're able to look at our distribution of either two variables compared to each other or one variable with itself and page it by year or whatever category you like. So let's get going. We'll first want to connect our data to Tabula. So go ahead and download the PM 2.5 from 5 Chinese cities data and connect it to Tabula desktop. Go ahead and rename the first sheet to single measure. Rename the second sheet to 2 measures. And we will save the worksheet as distribution map examples. Alright, so now we got the worksheet made. Let's go to single measure. Now we're going to drag our PM 2.5 concentration over to rows and to columns. Now we only got one single point here, so what's going on? So we actually are not showing every single point of in our data. We're just showing the aggregate of the two. So we want to unaggregate our data. So to unaggregate our data, we go up to Analysis in the menu bar, and we click, or we unselect Aggregate Measures. My computer is being a little slow right now. Alright, so now you can see we went from one data point to thousands of data points. So now we're just going to change the marks type of our chart from automatic to bar. And now we can see the distribution of our variable. If you want to double check this, you can create a bin from PM 2.5 and you can just chart that instead. And wrong direction. And now from this you can see that we have a distribution that is it's the proper distribution of our variable, and it's made in a way that is unique to us. So let's go ahead and return that to normal. Okay, so now that we've done with one variable, let's compare two separate variables. So as you might imagine, this will begin with us dragging the PM 2.5 over 2 rows. And this time we'll use Fahrenheit temperature for the comparison. So we'll move that over to columns. And now we're going to unaggregate our data and then switch it on over to bars. And as you can see, it's quite simple to make just make the simple distribution map here, but you know, it's not exciting. There's no highlighting of the extremes or anything like that. So to make our distribution map more exciting, we will use the PM 2.5 for the color. So we drag PM 2.5 concentration to the color mark, and then now we can see that the extremes are very blue, but that's not very exciting. So let's just change that over to red, green, gold diverging, and reverse it, And now we can see, even here, when the temperatures are 75, they're actually not extreme. But when the temperatures are even down here in the 30s, they can get extreme. So this helps to highlight extreme values within our distribution. And if you want to page it, well, then now we can just drag date over to pages. And now we can see the distribution per year. And luckily, as we can tell, the distribution per year are almost identical, meaning that they are proper to analyze against each other. So there we go. We have created our very own distribution map with custom formatting and paging. I hope you're able to use this in your dashboards to show your clients good information. I have a dashboard that I use this in linked below. And as always, the data and final example are available online.